The new coronavirus can spread through respiratory droplets, which are liquids that may come out when we cough or sneeze. For this reason, it's very important to avoid close contact with anyone who has fever and cough or other respiratory symptoms. In practical terms, we recommend keeping at least 1 meter distance from a sick person. Also, you should avoid shaking hands, hugging, or kissing people with these symptoms. If you need to take care of a person who has fever, cough, and difficult breathing, do not forget to wear a mask and, in particular, to practice hand hygiene. If you need more information on how to protect yourself from the new coronavirus, check the WHO website at who.int.